So I'm down here in Nashville, Tennessee. I'm walking around and I came across the Caney Fork. The signs outside said wild game and camp-style cuisine. I had to go on in and give it a try. As soon as you walk into the restaurant, you really do get that camp-style feel. It looks like you're sitting outside at a nice fish camp down in the south. There's even a gas-fired fireplace. Not sure how often they fire it up, but it has been used in the past, you can tell. The catfish stock pond got me kind of excited. Thought about grabbing my pole, but pretty sure that'd be frowned upon in the restaurant. Every meal is served with corn fritters, and I ordered Grandma B's sweet tea. Let's just say both were delicious and incredibly sweet. For dinner, I ordered the campfire fish fry. It comes with a couple of frog legs, catfish, haddock, shrimp, and a blue crab roll. All the food was incredibly delicious and incredibly tender. All the food was delicious and the waitstaff was incredibly friendly. This will definitely not be my last time. If I'm in Nashville again, I will definitely be stopping back by. Hope this video was helpful for everyone. And remember, please like, share, and subscribe.